السلام علیکم، میں ہوں منیر پیرزادہ، آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں ٹی وی 49 نیوز۔ آئیے نظر ڈالتے ہیں اس خبر پر۔ جی ناظرین، آپ کو اپڈیٹ کرتے چلیں، برطانیہ سے رپورٹ کر رہے ہیں ہمارے چیئرمین میاں عامر علی۔ UK کے مشہور سنگر ایڈین کے نئے گانے کی ریلیز جدوں داتوں دور گیا۔ خوبصورت آواز اور بہترین دل کو چھونے والی شاعری اپنے نئے گانے کے بارے میں ایڈین کا کیا کہنا تھا، آئیے جانتے ہیں اس رپورٹ میں۔
I'm going to start this interview with the Punjabi dialogue and with a very beautiful lyrics, جدوں دا تو دور گیا۔ It's a very beautiful words، یعنی یہ وہی جانتا ہے جس کا کوئی دور ہو، وہ ضروری نہیں کہ might be he's like a couple, it could be parents, it could be brother, it could be sister, it could be anyone. So جدوں دا تو دور گیا، اس ورڈ کو کس طرح ایکسپلین کیا ہے ایڈین نے۔ He is launching a beautiful song. Might be it's going to be a super duper hit song. So I'm going to ask from the Eidin. Yeah, please. Man, come on. Let us know.
Oh yeah, bro. Yeah, it's a very powerful love song. It's a bit of a sad song as well, but it's. I think you're all going to enjoy it. It's very catchy as well, and it's about COVID. So it's something that's been happening to a lot of people out there. So yeah, I don't want to tell you too much about it because I'd rather you all watch it and. Yeah, but it's a nice song. It's a slow song, and I really enjoyed recording the music video for it. And
come on, we're gonna listen a couple of lines. You have to say something, you know.
جدوں دا تو دور گیا، جدوں دا تو دور گیا. So that's the bit there.
Any shout out for this song? Come on, girls, together.
Yeah, it's so proud of Aiden for what he's achieved. Yeah. He's kept it very topical, hasn't he? He's covering current issues, but in a very kind of a romantic and possibly like a sad way, as he said, so sounds good.
Any message for the public?
Again, thank you so much for supporting me, and I just wish I could bring more and more good products to the market and have the viewers enjoy it, and just share it as much as you can, and hopefully I'll be performing it up and down the country once everything back to normal. Yeah, and I'll be performing it at the Oracle Awards as well, so